2001 saw another airshow season in full swing, with aircraft from around the world flying at displays throughout the UK. Although there were fewer shows this year, partly due to the foot and mouth outbreak, crowds at most of the major displays were bigger than ever. However, 2001 will be remembered for the pilots and aircraft that were lost in the early part of the season. This program is dedicated to the memory of those pilots and crew who tragically lost their lives in flying accidents this year. The first major event our crews filmed was at the open day and fly-in at Kemble. This historic airfield had just been saved from redevelopment, and Delta Jets had a big year ahead of them. 2001 will be overshadowed by the multiple tragedies that occurred earlier in the year, the repercussions of which will be felt by the aircraft operators in the coming seasons. We hope that they manage to overcome any problems, to provide us with exciting and safe display flying for many years to come. Our final thoughts must be with the families of the aircrew who were lost this year. Their dedication and passion for display flying gave enjoyment to millions of people, and their loss is felt by all of us.